Hi, my name's Joe. I'm from Signage. What I've developed is a dryer system for your silk screening your shirts. If you're like most of us that went out and we invested a large amount of money in our press. We got all done, and then it was time to buy the Conveyor dryer, and that was a little bit, I didn't have the finances to buy the dryer system at that time, so I developed one myself. I've looked on YouTube and some other things, and there was some things in there that were actually kind of embarrassing to even put on YouTube. So what I developed is this table. It works very well. It's a simple system. For $39.95, I'll send you the plans on how to build it. For $149.95, I'll send you everything but the dryer, the stand, and the table, the actual melamine. You'll have to purchase that yourself, but I'll send you the drive system. This is a variable speed table. It works very well. I'm going to go ahead and start this right now. The table sounds like it makes a little bit of noise. I'm in a basement, and on camera it does sound kind of loud, but it's not really that loud. So without further ado, let's print some shirts. I'll do some sleeves for you. I'll show you how I lay the larger emblems on here, and let's get this thing going. Got everything warmed up already. Let's place that over. Now I've got the table set as slow as it'll go, and I'm going to use the flash dryer. It's a 1500 watt flash dryer. I've got the table set on the slowest setting that it'll possibly go, and it's about it'll make one revolution every 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Now I can speed that up when I use a bigger dryer on here, but let's get this thing going. I'm sure you want to see it. Start it up. I'll do a sleeve first. I've got my temperature gauge here to make sure it's cured. On the sleeves, we just lay this down like this, flat. I take a quick clamp so it doesn't slide off the table. Clamp it on like that. Let's speed this up a little bit, get it over here. We don't have to wait so long. Start that. I've got a shirt over here, a wet shirt on the press. We'll spin that around. Now on the larger emblems, I lay it to the side and give myself a little bit of space there. Lay it flat. Make sure everything's okay. Let's let this one go through first. See what our temp is. There's our little cup. That's 357, 360, 332. Totally cured, perfect. And as the table comes around, these shirts can actually spin around and around. Everything's set underneath the table, so there's nothing for the shirts to get hung up on. So if you weren't paying attention and went around twice, no big deal. Make sure the shirt is cured. Let's speed this shirt up a little bit. There we go. Perfect. Let that run through. Now on the shirts with the smaller emblems on it, not as big, I just lay them, I'll just end up laying them like this. There's no emblem on this shirt, so just go like that. Lay it down, let it go through. Let's check the temp on this. I'm sure it's fine. It always has been. There's our little cup. 330, 327, 326, 340. We may speed up the table a little bit at that point, but I know that the plastisol's cured. It's reached to 320. We'll get it out of here. We'll do a little I know you can't see the temperature gauge, but I use this all the time. I wouldn't have it all built if it didn't work. The stretch test, the shirt's cured and dried. Let's turn this off. Swing that out. It is variable speed. I can turn it down even slower than that. I don't really want to. If something goes wrong, it's air-cooled table. The motor's meant to run I've let it run for 24 hours. It's fine. So here's what you get. For $39.95, you get the instructional DVD. You get the parts list. You get everything that you need to make this table. The table can be used. I use it for folding shirts. So if you're short on space in your shop, it's multi-purpose. It's not like a conveyor belt you got to push out of the way, or it's right in the middle of your shop. But for $149.95, you get the drive system, the motor all put together. Everything's ready to go. You don't get the dryer, of course. You don't get the melamine. The melamine can be bought at Home Depot for, I believe it was $36. Let's just say 37. It's 36 something. So for $149.95, you get the drive system. It takes me about, I can build one of these tables in 2 hours. In the instructional DVD, I will actually build the table from start to scratch. Of course, we'll do cuts in it, so you won't be watching it for 2 hours solid. It's a very simple, the simplicity of the table is what makes it, is the genius part of it. It's very simple, it works very well. You can change the motor out, and I can change this motor out in 10 seconds if something did go wrong. Never has, I've ran it for a long time. So $149.95. You get the drive system that makes it run. You do not get the conveyor table. You do not get the stand or the table. You get the drive. For $39.95, you get the instructional DVD. You get the plans to make it, the parts list. This is a great table. Works very well. Give it a try. Save yourself some time and grief. I've done that for you. I pulled my hair out. 4th prototype. Been using it for a long time. Works great. And we'll talk to you soon. And you're going to like this product. Thank you very much, and you have a great day.